always amazing to be in the kitchen giving you favorite recipes and ideas. Anyway guys, I'm always making juice. I'm making different kind of juice, you know what I mean. This is like healthy juice, healthy recipe on a daily basis for the fans. Alright, basically I just put I got roughly about 2 handfuls of spinach inside of my Ninja blender right here, because I'm going to be using a Ninja blender. And what I'm going to do next is I got some cucumber. I'm going to put some cucumber in it also. So if I go ahead and start my cucumber by simply cut them up very small, because you don't want to cut them up too chunky. I'm going to be filling up the blender a lot, so you just want to keep it very small. Alright guys, so roughly about 1/4 of a cucumber right here I've been using. And I must say, cucumber, 95% of cucumber is just water. So this is not, I mean, cucumber is always good for us, and it's good to do in many different kind of stuff at home. Alright, might put a little piece more of the cucumber to it, because I love cucumber, don't get me wrong, that's my favorite. Put the rest in it like this. Yep, just like that. And then we're gonna get a nice lovely piece of a ginger. Just gonna keep the skin on the ginger this time. Normally I don't, you know what I mean, but because I'm always say that's where the best part of the ginger. I got 1 lime, so I'm gonna just simple remove the skin from the lime. So when you remove the skin, that's how it look. Then I just cut it up into some pieces and put it straight inside of my Ninja blender, because I'm gonna get a lot of flavor from the lime when I do it this kind of way. Is it? Yes. When I do it this kind of way, then you get a lot of flavor from the lemon. Nice one. So next thing, what we're going to do is squeeze just a little bit of honey in it like this, not too much, roughly about a tablespoon. And also we're gonna put a little bit of water just to free up the blender. And that looking good. So you have, you know what I mean, coming up to summer, we are in spring now, so it's coming up to summer, we are always gonna make this kind of healthy juice and do a lot of healthy recipe and a different kind of juice at home for the family and for the kids, because when the kids are off this summer, you have to make them some juice. It's a must, you know what I mean, some shake and all them things. So you will see a lot of different kind of recipe come up on the YouTube channel guys. So what we're gonna do, simple blend it for roughly about 3 to 4 minutes on a good blender. So this is finished. Most people, what they do when they make such a nice smoothie like this, they normally just bring it to work just like this in their blender. Just remove the lid and put on the other lid. If you have that kind of blender. But if it doesn't have that kind of blender, you don't need to worry yourself. You just work with what you have guys. So give it a shake. Normally I would blend up this with some ice, but you know what I mean, the time is already cold, so we don't need any ice. And all I'm going to do is just pour it inside of it like this. Fiber look good in it. Could blend about 2 more minutes, but you know, just gonna keep it like this, and you have a lot of fiber, and fiber is good for us guys. Thank you so much for watching Chef Ricardo Juice Bar channel. We got a lot more recipes, a lot more ideas, and a lot more things will be coming, and this is from Chef Ricardo and the team. And as I said, see, looking lovely and nice. I got the ginger, the lemon, the honey, the spinach, the cucumber. Mwah! Nice drink, healthy green juice for the winter and for the summer and for spring and every time of the year. It doesn't matter, it's up to you. Alright, love from Chef Ricardo and the team. I will see you next time, and stay tuned and follow me on Instagram, Twitter, on Facebook, Google Plus me, and get your favorite recipe guys. And don't forget, subscribing and clicking the bell is very important. Alright, see you next time. Cheers, bye bye.